Hey everyone, this is Tom with Royalty Media Management. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to link your domain name from GoDaddy.com over to Clickfunnels. The purpose for this video is really just because GoDaddy is the best place to be buying your domain names. It makes it really easy for you to link to other websites, and typically you get the best deals on GoDaddy. You can buy domains on Clickfunnels, but it's typically more expensive and harder to transfer your domain to other websites that you might need it on, like Shopify. And GoDaddy just really simplifies this process, gives you cheaper offerings. I think it's like $12 a month is the typical price point, and they make it really easy if you want to list your domain for sale if you are finished with using it. So that being said, let's jump right in. We are on the My Products page on GoDaddy. That can be also found up in the top right by clicking under Account, My Products. Once you're on this page, you'll want to scroll down and you'll see domains under All Products and Services. You want to find the domain that you should have already purchased at this point. For me, I'm using my company, Royalty Media Management. We're going to click on the little DNS symbol right next to the domain name. DNS stands for Domain Naming System. Once we're on this page, it'll show all of our records, but before we touch any of that, we are going to copy our domain name here, and we'll head over to Clickfunnels to My Domains. So we will find our domain through Account Settings. We'll click on Account Settings, and then we will scroll down to Domains, and that'll take us to the page I was just on. In the top right, we will click on Add New Domain. If you were to be purchasing your website on Clickfunnels, you would choose a domain here, but since we already own our domain on GoDaddy, we will click Use an Existing Domain. So this is where we will paste in our domain name that we just copied over from GoDaddy, and we will click Add Domain. And on the next page, it'll tell us that we will need to go back to GoDaddy or wherever you bought the custom domain and add a CNAME record that points www at target.clickfunnels.com. So once again, we're going to copy this here, and we're going to head back to our domain manager on GoDaddy. We're going to find a record that is CNAME and www. We want to edit that one. So the type is C record, the name is www. And when we edit this, we'll see that the points to is an @ symbol, where you're going to paste over the @ symbol with targets.clickfunnels.com, which we just copied over from Clickfunnels. We will click Save. Typically, I like to give it a minute here, let the data be transferred between websites, and we'll go back to, I'll refresh it here to make sure everything was saved properly, which it was, and then we'll go back over to Clickfunnels and say, I've done this step. And congratulations, you've just connected your domain name from GoDaddy.com to Clickfunnels. Before you're done, you're going to have to verify your domain. Sometimes this takes a little while, but we'll go back to domains down here. And on my domain, because I've done this before and because I've verified this domain name already, it's going to show up as verified, but you'll verify by going in here and clicking Edit, and it'll say Verify at the top of the page. You just click the Verify button. Once it's verified, you need to come down here where it says SSL. This stands for Secure Sockets Layer, which basically means that you're protecting your customers' information. You're typically using Clickfunnels to collect emails or collect customer information, and you want to make sure that that's as secure as possible to protect your customers or potential leads. And it's really easy to set up. All you need to do is click Add SSL. And once that's done, it's saving right now. Once that's done, you go back to your domains and you'll notice that the other domains that I have listed here show secured with a little green lock next to the domain name. And the one that I just clicked Secure SSL on is still in the process of securing. So it's a little not a locked symbol, it's grayed out. And where it would say secured, it's saying securing. It'll take a little while for everything to get secured. But if you check back in a couple hours or maybe give it at least 24 hours, when you come back here, you should see the green lock symbol and it's saying secured. So all that being said, I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for all of your time. Take care.